In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the Made in Webflow badge from your website. Let's get started. Open your Webflow dashboard and select the project you want to update. Click the Settings icon, then open the Plans tab. Keep in mind that removing the Made in Webflow badge is only available on eligible paid site plans. If needed, upgrade your site plan, then return to the General tab in Site Settings. Scroll down to the Webflow branding section and turn off the Display Made in Webflow badge option. You can also disable the Display Webflow branding in HTML option if you don't want the branding included in your site's source code. Save your changes, then publish your website again. Refresh your live site to confirm the Made in Webflow badge has been removed. That's how to remove the Made in Webflow badge from your website. Thanks for watching.